Ting. English learners often reach a plateau where they feel their vocabulary is too simple. You might find yourself constantly using the word very to emphasize points. For example, you say very big, very small, or very smart. While these are correct, they don't help you stand out in competitive exams. The student asks, "Teacher, I always use these basic phrases. Is there a more professional way to express myself without sounding like a beginner?" The teacher responds, "Absolutely. Using powerful adjectives is the quickest way to sound more fluent. Let's replace very with stronger vocabulary today, BI." By the end of this video, you will have 4 new words that will immediately improve your speaking and writing. Let's start with very big. Instead of very big, use the word huge. This word implies something of great scale, making your description much more vivid for the listener. Look at this massive skyscraper. You could say it is very big, but saying that building is huge sounds much more natural and advanced. Huge can describe physical objects, but it can also describe abstract concepts, like a huge success. It adds variety to your spoken English. Next, let's look at the phrase very small. When describing something tiny, there is a much more elegant word you can use to sound native. That word is tiny. It's a simple change, but it's effective. It specifically emphasizes the extreme smallness of an object in a descriptive way. Imagine this kitten. Instead of saying it is very small, we say the kitten is tiny. It fits the context and sounds much more professional. Moving on to intelligence. We often describe a high-performing student as very smart. But to sound truly academic, we should use a better term. The word you are looking for is brilliant. This implies a level of exceptional talent and brightness in one's work, perfect for IELTS essays. For example, she is a brilliant student who finds creative solutions. This sounds much more impressive than simply saying she is very smart. Final example concerns speed. Very fast is common, but it's often overused. To sound technical and precise, there's a better alternative. Try using the word rapid. This word is particularly useful when discussing trends, technology, or quick changes over a specific period of time. Observe how technology evolves. We say, technology is changing at a rapid speed. This sounds technical and professional compared to using very fast. So, remember, stop using very and start using huge, tiny, brilliant, and rapid. These changes will make a massive difference in your fluency. Consistent practice is the key. Try using one of these in a sentence today and see how it immediately elevates your English tone. If you found these tips helpful, follow IELTS Login for more daily insights. We help you prepare for success in your upcoming exams. For personalized coaching to improve your IELTS or PTE scores, contact IELTS Login today. Let's reach your English goals together right now.